What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Brody from Stellhorn RV here, and today we're actually taking, if you can see this logo right up here, we're actually taking a look at our very first Keystone Bullet Crossfire that we're posting on the channel. So pretty cool. As I mentioned in an earlier video where I went over the Arcadia, we are starting to get in a lot of these Keystone products, and we're pretty excited about it. So let's take a look at this travel trailer here that we have today. It is the new 2026 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2290BH. So yeah, guys, let's take a look at this floor plan. Alright, so guys, let's hit on some specs here about this 2290BH. So this camper can actually sleep up to 8 people. It has one slide out, it's 27 feet long, and the dry weight is a little over 5,600 pounds. So we're starting here in the bedroom, the actual only bedroom in this floor plan. So first, let's hit here. We've got some nice storage under the bed. It's pretty decent size there. And the reason it doesn't continue to go back is because we do have an exterior pass-through storage that goes right through there that we'll take a look at once we view the outside. Put this back down. And so yeah, this queen bed is the standard queen RV bed, so it's going to be, I believe, 60 by 80 inches. Then over here you kind of get a longer nightstand. Get a nice little drawer. A nice little texture here in the bottom of the drawer. Something that I love about the Keystone products are just the handles of the cabinets and drawers. It's just, I don't know, they're just kind of nice and fresh. And you guys can see that does go pretty deep back there. Probably a little bit over a foot is how deep those go. And so you're also going to get t-shirt hanging closet there as well. So let's flip into the rest of the floor plan. So what I do like, and what I'll first say, is that they put a lot of storage on this side, so close to the door right when you enter. Down here below, nice little spot to put shoes so they're not kind of in the way. If you're not putting your shoes outside, great spot to put shoes. Or if you're on the go, another great spot to put shoes. Real nice drawers, guys, on this Bullet. Really like them. Has that kind of cushion when you push them back in. And like I said, I just love the handles, but also the nice little style that they've got there. And then the storage under the sink here actually is sort of like a pass-through, I guess, because you have access on this side. And then you're also going to have access around here to the other side. And then this little piece here does kick up and click into place there for you. So if you need that extra extension or whatever, that's pretty nice there. And then I love how this sink is set up. It's kind of like similar to like a farm style sink, I would say, you know, to where it kind of hangs out here, but it's nice and sleek and modern looking. And then we also have an interesting sink here. It does turn like that, which is pretty cool. Then up above we have the rotating TV here as well. It does come out a little bit. 32 inches, not crazy big, but fits right where it's supposed to. Then over here, Furrion microwave, pretty typical. I believe, yeah, so this is the convection microwave, and it does have the air fryer as well, which is pretty sweet. But it also comes with everything down here. You see that usually, and you're not gonna get a nice little oven or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. You also get a 3-burner cooktop as well. And then these might be small, but they did include drawers and cabinets for you. So not a crazy amount of storage in the kitchen. You know, if I've got pots and pans and stuff, I'm probably lacking a little bit of space. That's kind of where I think you'd have to let these drawers come in and kind of hold on to stuff like that, and plates too. But yeah, here's your pantry over here. If I can get it open, there we go. And so it's got 2 shelves in it. You can obviously move the shelves using these right here, or you can completely get rid of the shelves if you want to do that as well. And then over here we have the bunks. So this bunk does come down, and obviously, and it turns into like a little bunkhouse. But what is great is you do get this nice little exterior cargo door. This is great for people who are avid bike riders, or if you've just got something a little bit bigger that you want to store. It at least gives you the option. You don't have to use all of that. You could leave that bunk down all the time, or you could leave it up all the time, but it just gives you that nice option. So here into the bathroom, pretty nice vanity here. Let's take a look. Gives you a little bit of storage in there. Not a crazy amount, but at least you have it. Then we've got the shower. All right, on to the refrigerator, guys. So, decent size fridge. Not too sure what. It is a 10 cubic feet refrigerator, so that's better than the 8, I will say. And you know, if you compare this directly to an 8-foot, I mean, you can definitely tell the difference. Don't mind my coat and everything. It's very cold here in Indiana, but here we have the U-shaped dinette, pretty wide U-shape, but that's pretty nice that they still give you that extra seating. You know, this is a bunk style unit, so they do kind of give you that extra space so you can seat a decent amount of people. And then under here on both sides, you are going to get some storage there underneath. And then obviously this does convert into a bed, and then you can obviously also pull these cushions up and then access the storage there as well. So yeah, guys, that's gonna cover the inside. Let's go ahead and hit the exterior here so we can get a better look at some of these storage compartments and the exterior features that this Crossfire comes with. All right, so welcome to the outside of this 2290. So over here you can see we actually have the 26 BHC, and just look at the exteriors. The difference in the exteriors, quite a bit different. But anyways, back to the 2290. Right here is going to be our full pass-through. let's head around to the other side. So this would be located under the bed. So over here you have all your hookups, pretty typical for the Keystones. All of it's gonna be in a nice spot, and you do also have this nice hose that it comes with as well. So let's head around here. And so heading all the way around, you do get this kind of, I would call it more of a camp kitchen, I believe is what they typically refer to them as. But you're gonna get this outdoor griddle, and then you are gonna get the outdoor fridge. So it makes it nice for the outdoor camping experience. You can grub up pretty nice. So you guys, that's gonna cover it for this video in the 2290. So pretty cool unit, guys. One of our first bullets that we have actually gotten this year. So this is our first one, or these are our first two. But yeah, we're pretty excited. We're gonna be getting in a lot more. So let me know what you guys thought of this bullet. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Discover the unseen in a step.